a visit to the medicine factory. All of the medicines are made right here on property, and all of the ingredients are grown here. Right now he's making a medicine for the hot herbal poultice therapy. So he's grinding sticks and leaves and herbs and seeds. There are even castor oil seeds here. So they do cold pressed castor oil as well as cold pressed coconut oil, which is the base of the Ayurveda medicine. So here they're explaining to me which of the plants these are, and here he is.
I got a compass and just around earth in there.
So now they are going to open the bucket where all of the ground twigs and herbs went into, and they're going to show me the powder. Oh, beautiful. Look at that.
And this is what they use for the hot herbal poultice then.
Thank you.
It smells so great. And this is where they make the medicinal Ayurveda oils that are used in all of the treatments. And she's showing me the cold pressed oil machine, but the big vats is where they put the herbs. And now she's showing the finishing room and the store.